Medjool dates may taste like a rich caramel dessert. But what if this naturally sweet fruit is actually one of the most powerful health-boosting foods you can eat every single day? If you already love the soft, luxurious flavor of medjool dates, get ready to discover why your favorite snack is far more than just a treat. These large, nutrient-dense dates are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can fuel your body, boost your energy, and support your overall wellness. From strengthening your heart to improving digestion and enhancing daily vitality, their benefits go far beyond their irresistible sweetness. And the most surprising part is that just a few a day can begin to make a real, noticeable difference in how you feel. In today's video, we are revealing the top 10 incredible health benefits of medjool dates, and why making them part of your daily routine could be one of the smartest health decisions you ever make. So stay with me as we begin counting down these powerful benefits right now. 1. Powerful natural energy booster. Medjool dates are rich in natural sugars like glucose and fructose. These sugars can be quickly converted by your body into usable energy, without the crash linked to refined sugar. Studies show that their combination of natural carbohydrates and fiber helps provide a steady release of fuel, instead of a rapid spike. This makes them an excellent pre-workout snack or midday energy booster. Athletes often use dates for fast recovery because they help replenish glycogen stores efficiently. Unlike processed energy bars, they also deliver minerals like potassium, which support muscle function. If you often feel afternoon fatigue, adding a few dates may help stabilize your energy naturally. The key is portion control, to benefit from sustained fuel without excess calories. 2. Supports heart health. Research highlights that dates contain potassium, magnesium, and antioxidants, which are strongly associated with cardiovascular protection. Potassium plays a major role in regulating blood pressure and reducing strain on blood vessels. Antioxidants, such as flavonoids and carotenoids, may help reduce oxidative stress linked to heart disease. Some studies suggest regular date consumption may help lower triglyceride levels and improve overall lipid profiles. Their fiber content also assists in reducing LDL cholesterol when part of a balanced diet. Protecting your heart does not always require complex supplements. Sometimes it begins with simple whole foods. Consistency is what makes the difference. 3. Improves digestive health. Medjool dates are an excellent source of soluble and insoluble fiber, which supports healthy digestion. Fiber adds bulk to stool and promotes regular bowel movements, reducing the risk of constipation. Research shows that fiber-rich diets nourish beneficial gut bacteria, which play a role in immunity and metabolism. Dates also contain natural compounds that may support intestinal comfort. For people with sluggish digestion, a few dates daily can gently improve regularity without harsh laxatives. A healthy gut is deeply connected to overall wellness. Including natural fiber sources consistently can transform digestive balance. 4. Rich in antioxidants. Scientific analyses show that dates contain powerful antioxidants, including flavonoids, phenolic acids, and carotenoids. These compounds help neutralize free radicals that contribute to aging and chronic disease. Oxidative stress is linked to inflammation, heart disease, and even certain cancers. Diets high in antioxidant-rich fruits are associated with reduced cellular damage. Compared to many dried fruits, dates rank impressively high in antioxidant capacity. This makes them not just sweet, but protective at the cellular level. Supporting your body against daily environmental stress starts with nutrient-dense foods. 5. Strengthens bone health. Medjool dates contain minerals such as magnesium, phosphorus, calcium, and small amounts of vitamin K, all essential for bone structure. Magnesium in particular plays a critical role in bone density and strength. Research suggests that adequate magnesium intake is associated with a lower risk of osteoporosis. Phosphorus works alongside calcium to maintain skeletal integrity. Including mineral-rich fruits like dates can complement a bone-supportive diet. Especially for adults concerned about aging bones, consistent intake of these nutrients matters. Strong bones are built gradually through daily nutrition choices. 6. Supports brain function. Emerging studies indicate that the antioxidants in dates may help reduce inflammatory markers in the brain. Chronic inflammation has been associated with cognitive decline. Some laboratory research suggests dates may help reduce beta-amyloid activity, which is linked to neurodegenerative conditions. While more human research is ongoing, the nutrient profile of dates supports overall brain health. Natural sugars also provide immediate fuel for brain cells, improving short-term mental performance. A balanced intake may help you stay focused and alert. Brain wellness is closely tied to antioxidant and anti-inflammatory nutrition. 7. Promotes healthy pregnancy support. Research published in obstetrics journals has explored the potential role of date consumption in late pregnancy. Some studies suggest that eating dates in the final weeks may support cervical readiness and reduce the need for labor induction. Dates provide natural energy, iron, and folate, which are important during pregnancy. Their fiber also helps counter common pregnancy-related constipation. While they are not a medical replacement, they can be a nourishing addition when approved by a healthcare provider. Nutrition plays a powerful role in maternal support. Whole foods often provide gentle physiological benefits. 8. Helps regulate blood sugar when moderated. Although naturally sweet, Medjool dates have a moderate glycemic index due to their fiber content. Fiber slows sugar absorption, helping reduce sharp blood glucose spikes when eaten in controlled portions. Research suggests that pairing dates with protein or healthy fats further stabilizes blood sugar response. This makes them a smarter sweet option compared to refined desserts. Moderation remains essential, especially for individuals managing diabetes. Choosing whole fruit over processed sweets can support metabolic balance. 9. Supports immune function. Dates provide essential nutrients such as vitamin B6, copper, and antioxidants, which contribute to immune support. Vitamin B6 is involved in biochemical reactions that strengthen immune response. Antioxidants help protect immune cells from oxidative damage. A well-functioning immune system depends on micronutrient sufficiency, rather than megadoses of single vitamins. Including diverse nutrient-dense foods like dates helps maintain that balance. Especially during times of stress, your immune system benefits from consistent nourishment. 10. May support healthy weight management. Despite their sweetness, Medjool dates can assist weight management when consumed mindfully. Their fiber promotes satiety, helping you feel full longer and reducing overeating. Research consistently shows that fiber-rich diets are linked to healthier body weight. Replacing processed sugary snacks with whole dates may lower overall empty calorie intake. The key is mindful portion size, since dates are calorie-dense. When used strategically, they satisfy cravings while delivering nutrients. Smart swaps often determine long-term success in healthy living. As you can see, Medjool dates are far more than just a naturally sweet treat. They are a nutrient-dense powerhouse, backed by science and tradition alike. From supporting your heart and digestion, to boosting energy and protecting your cells, this simple fruit can play a powerful role in your daily wellness routine. The key is consistency, moderation, and choosing high-quality natural sources. Small habits, repeated every day, create the biggest long-term health transformations. If you found this video helpful, and want more evidence-based health content explained in a simple, practical way, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Give this video a like to support more content like this, and share it with someone who loves dates as much as you do. And remember, your health journey starts with simple, smart choices, and sometimes it begins with something as small as a date. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to like channel to follow all new